onto the joists. Cut the straps. Pretty thick. I can adjust them. Hold on. This tape eventually comes undone here. It's not a great design, but the wood handle is pretty comfortable. So the buckle, it's not good. I inserted it from the right direction, and as you can see, this happened at the first use. It's not going smoothly through the buckle, and also when I want to take it out, עכשיו זה עובד יפה. Look, you see, it's like locked. I pull the power, it went down. I pull more power, it's go again down.